Is laundry the bane of your existence? The thorn in your flesh? The party pooper? This is Jackie from Otherwise, and I hope to help you with that today. When I was a young mother, I had a lot of problems with laundry. There were four of us in the household, and I just couldn't get it together. And I would wash a load a day, but all that left me with was laundry all over the house all the time. So on Saturday, my kids went to a charter school, so they had their uniforms. So on Saturday, they were probably 8 and 10, my two older ones, and my youngest would have been about 6. But they would bring all of the laundry downstairs. We lived in a townhouse, so they would bring all the laundry downstairs, and we would pile it all up in the kitchen where the washer and dryer were, and they would sort. They would do light colors and whites, reds, and blue jeans and towels. And they turned all their clothes right side out. Then I would come in and turn the washer on and add the detergent. And then one of them would put the clothes for that pile into the washing machine. At the end of the cycle, the other child would take the clothes out of the washer machine, put them in the dryer, and turn the dryer on. And then when the clothes were dry, they would bring them to me on the couch, and I would fold. And that's the way we did laundry. And we did laundry until it was done. And I had these baskets that had 3 sections in them, like on this picture here. And as I would fold, I would put them in the correct compartment. So I'd have one for jeans and pants, one for shirts, and one for socks and underwear and pajamas. Everybody had their own basket. And so we would wash all the laundry on that day, on Saturday, whatever day it was. If it was in the summertime, it didn't matter. But we would wash all the laundry at one time. I would fold, put them in the baskets, and then once we were all done washing and drying and folding, the kids would take their own baskets to their rooms and put their clothes up. Now, for my youngest, I would have to carry his basket upstairs, but he would put them away. I would help him. And so I was teaching my children and training my children how to do their own laundry. By the time my two oldest were about 11 and 13, they were doing their own laundry. We still washed the uniforms together because I didn't want those to get ruined. But they would wash their own jeans and t-shirts and socks and underwear and pajamas, all those things. They would fold them and put them away. Now, when they first started folding, it wasn't such a pretty sight. So things like jeans and t-shirts or shirts that needed to be hung up, I would help them do that, or give them hangers, or tell them to hang them up. But children need instruction. They need to know how, and it's up to you as their mother to teach them. You can't grow children into mature young adults without training. Children can also fold the towels and the washcloths. They can sort and put together their own socks and fold their underwear and even their pajamas, because those things don't matter if they're wrinkled. With your youngest children, play the matching game and let them match their own socks. 3-year-olds can do that job. Let your children participate in the household chores. The younger you start them, the better off the whole family will be. If you have other questions about laundry, leave them in the comments below. Let me know how it works best for you to get your laundry done. If you like this content, then join my channel, where I teach mothers how to get dinner on the table with less time, less stress, and less effort. This is Jackie from Motherwise, and remember, dinner's at 6.